Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Katarina and this is Croatia Vibes. Now, I've been living in Croatia for the past 6 years, going to 7 years, and I love this country. So today I want us to talk about money. No, I'm not going to drink it. Money is filthy. Money is really filthy. So as you can see, all this is money and all this is Croatian currency, as you can see here in this glass. And this is the Croatian coins, and they come in different amounts. So I don't only have the coins, I also have some notes, and we are going to talk about the currency. We are also going to talk about the conversion from dollar to kuna, from euro to kuna. So we are also going to talk about, how much or what you should expect to spend in Croatia as a tourist. So let's dive in, I'm telling you. So the Croatian kunas have been in use since 1994, the year 1994. So, and this currency has been there for that long, and we are still using it. I know many people might be thinking that the fact Croatia is part of the EU, we also use the euros, but that is not the case. We are still using kunas, but just for this year. But we expect next year to be able to use the euro, and next year I mean in the year 2023. But if you're planning to come and enjoy the beauty of this country this year, the year 2022, expect to use this currency, expect to see this currency in use, expect to see this currency in use. Just expect that. So don't be shocked when you come here and you find a different kind of currency in use. So we're going to start explaining about this currency, about this money, so that you can get to know exactly what is what here. So I have several coins, and I'm going to start with the basic of the Croatian currency, and that is one kuna. This is how one kuna looks like. I hope you can see it in my camera. So one kuna looks like this. It has a bird in the front, and you can see it has a bird in the front, and behind here I think it's a jaguar it has. So this is one kuna, and it has of course the Croatian emblem. And here you can see there is a lipa, and a lipa is it's a very small coin. It's the smallest coin we have, and it actually has a symbol of corn. So Croatia has a lot of agriculture, so then you can see that it is a symbol of corn, and of course it represents the country economical activity. So 100 of this make one lipa. So if you have 100 lipa, then you get one kuna. So then 100 of lipa make one kuna. So that is how it is. But most of the times you'll find many people are using just kuna and above. So then you'll find most things are priced from one kuna and above. But of course, when you go to the shop and you shop something, and maybe you shop and then you get some change, of course you get a change in lipa. You also get the next coin, that is 10 lipa. 10 lipa looks like this, and it has a plant in the front, so it is goldish with a plant. And then we have 50 lipa. So 50 lipa looks like this. It has the number 50, and also it has some flower plants here on the front side. So this is how it looks like, really. And then from there, from 1 lipa to 10 lipa to 50 lipa, then we go to 1 kuna. To 1 kuna, as I already said. And then after 1 kuna, we also have another coin, and this is 2 lipa. So two coins, sorry, 2 kunas. So we have 2 kunas here, and the 2 kuna has a fish in the front, and at the back it is written 2 kuna. So you can see it is 2 kuna, and then from 2 kunas we'll go to 5 kuna. You can see 5 kuna is here, and in the front side you can see it has a bear. So we also have some bears in Croatia, so that is why you can see that it is also kind of representative of the kind of the wildlife that we have here in Croatia. And of course, where I live in Croatia, close to Plitvice National Park, we also have some bears. So then you'll find that we have a bear on the 5 kuna coin. So this is the highest coin you can find in Croatia, the 5 kuna coin. So we will go to the notes, and the notes, the lowest you can find is 5 kuna notes, but they are very rare. They are very, very rare. So the most common ones are 10 kuna notes, and this is how they look like. And I think this is a famous man in Croatia, and he looks like a religious man, so probably a bishop. And behind here, at the back, you'll find that it has the photo of the Colosseum. This one is found in Pula. And the fact that it is smaller than the one you find in Italy, it doesn't mean that it is not as beautiful. It is beautiful, and it is more preserved, so you'll be able to see it close up, and you can also be able to enjoy the site of this Colosseum that is found in Pula. And Pula is one of the cities at the coast. So then if you go to Pula, you will be able to see this actually in this Colosseum. And of course, this is a famous man in Croatia. So each and every note in Croatia, as you'll notice, it has a different famous face on it. And yes, because they are different people, and that is how they decided to design their notes. So many different notes have different people faces. So the next note we'll go to is 20 kuna. And 20 kuna has also this face of a famous person in Croatia. And behind it looks like this. At the back it looks like this. And yeah, it looks very interesting actually. It looks nice. It's my favorite note in Croatia, just because it looks nice. So the next one is this one, and this is 200 kuna. It is really good if you give to a waiter or to your hotel assistant. It is really going to help them out if you decide to give it as a tip, because it's really highly valuable. And as you can see, it is really beautiful. And also it is one of the most common, one of the highest and most common notes in Croatia, because we also have the next one that is 500 kuna and 1000 kuna, and I don't have them. The reason why I don't have them is because they're not very common in circulation, so I could not access them before I made this video. So I don't have them now, and you don't need them actually, because you will not be able to trade around. If you go to a restaurant or if you go to a bar and you give somebody 1000 kuna, they will think you are cuckoos. Unless you want to do a big business in Croatia, or a big transaction, maybe you're buying some piece of land or something like that, then you can use kuna, the 1000 notes. But if you're just doing your daily transaction, maybe getting a bus ticket or taking some coffee or taking a beer in a cafe bar, then it is easier if you carry the smaller notes to Croatia. And of course, you can come with some money in Croatia, but of course, if you have your credit card, you can always go to the ATM and retrieve the Croatian kunas and get to spend it here. or you can go to the exchange offices. There are many different exchange offices in Croatia. In each and every city, you'll find one. And if you have euros or dollars, you'll get helped easily, because almost every exchange office, they actually have the euros, and they do the transaction. They exchange them from euros to Croatian kunas. So how many 1 euro is actually equal to 7.5 kuna, and $1 is equals to 6.59 kuna. So you can see that your money is really valuable as a foreigner, or somebody who has euros, or somebody who has pounds, or somebody who has dollars. But if you have Kenyan shillings, I think you're not really in luck, because your money will be valueless, will not have a lot of value in this country. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I love you.